Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are doing the revision for our summative assessment, isn't it, children? Essay 2. So, in this, we have completed with 4 bits, that is, measuring the angle, drawing the angle, writing the fractions as decimals, and decimals as fraction. I hope you have practiced all the sums from the skill sheet and the notebook. Yes? So, let's learn the next bit, which is write the expanded form and the number name for the decimals. Here it is 4.2. That then the expanded form will be equal to 4 plus 0.2, isn't it? If there is another digit after 2, for example, if it is 6, then plus 0.06. We have already done in the classworks, children. You can go through all the classworks and also the skill sheets and check with the answers which I have sent for the skill sheet also. Okay, so this is your expanded form. Coming to your number name, 402 is in 10th place. 10th place. So you'll write 4 to 10th. 6 is in 100th place. So you'll write SIX 6 100th. HUNDREDTHS. 100th place or 10th place or 100th place. Okay, let's see another one. 19.3. So 10 plus 9 will give us 19, isn't it? So in the same way, you will write 10 plus 9 plus zero point 0.3 you have plus 0.3. Okay, and the number name would be 19 3 tenth. Okay, children. So practice this from your classwork, whatever sums you have in the classwork and also from the skill sheet. Okay, next. Add the decimals. So you know how to add the decimals here, isn't it, children? You have to write it in the column wise. Yes. So 1.09 and 2.15. Here we are adding. So you'll place the plus in between and then you will write the digits according to the place values. Ones under ones, tenths under tenths, tenth under tenth, hundredth under hundredth. Okay. And you will start from your right hand side. Now addition, place the symbol of plus. So 9 plus 5 in 100th place. 9 plus 5, 14. So 4 you will write it down, 1 you will carry. In 10th place it is carry 1 plus 0 becomes 1 and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Okay, now you have to place the decimal. Then 1 plus 2 in 1's place. 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Okay, so in this way you need to add the decimals. Okay, so practice from your classwork and also from the skill sheet, children. Coming to your next one, so finally you will write therefore 1.09 plus 2.15 is equal to 3.24. Okay, next bit you have subtract the decimals, where you need to subtract the decimals. 1.98 from 3.28, that is 3.28 minus 1.98. So that's what you will mention and you will write the digits in the column method according to the place values: ones, tenth, hundredth, and if you have tens, TENS, tens place, you will write the tens place. Now you are doing the subtraction, so you will start from the right side. That is 8 minus 8 will give us in hundredth place 8 minus 8 0. In tenth place 2 minus 9, which you cannot do. So you need to borrow. From where you will borrow? From one's place you need to borrow. Then 3 in one's place becomes 2 and here 2 becomes 12. Okay, 12 plus, sorry, minus 9. 12 minus 9 will give us 3. So you will write 3. Now place the dot. Now 2 minus 1 in one's place. 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So finally what you will write? Therefore 3 minus 28 minus 1.98 is equal to 1.30, or otherwise you can write 1.3 also. Okay, so in this way you need to subtract the decimals. Please do it from your classwork and also from your skill sheet. Practice it so that you will be you will not forget any of the method or the steps. Okay, so for today learn till here. So in the next class we will learn the next topics, children. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye.